This video is for Knowledge Organizer number 7 for Year 9 Higher on transformations, and this is about fractional scale factors when you're enlarging a shape. So I've got a shape here, A, and we're going to enlarge it with a scale factor of 1/2 with a center -8, 9 for our center of enlargement. So the first step I'm going to do is to plot that center of enlargement here, so -8, 9. And now we look at the scale factor. So in the previous Knowledge Organizer number 6, scale factors were whole numbers, integers, and that's what we were multiplying by. And it is the same case here. We still multiply by the scale factor. Just this time we're multiplying by 1/2, which means we're going to half all our distances from the center of enlargement and half the length of the sides of the actual shape. So I'm going to start with this top left corner here on A. It is 2 squares to the right, 2 squares down. So if a scale factor of 1/2 means our enlargement is going to be 1 square to the right, 1 square down. So it's actually going to be here. Same thing with this next corner. If I start with the center of enlargement, it is 2, 4, 6 squares to the right, 2 squares down. So my enlargement is going to be 3 squares to the right, 1 square down. It's going to end up here. I'm going to just double check it. The length of this side of our L shape is 4 squares. So the enlargement being half of that should be 2 squares, as you can see here. Now I'm just going to plot the rest of the sides. So 4 squares down, 2 squares down, half the distance. 2 squares across, so 1 square across, and then this one's 1 square down, and I've got my L shape just here. Now if you notice, the shape is actually smaller, so even though the transformation is called an enlargement, it's still an enlargement if the shape just gets smaller. The reason it is smaller is because our scale factor is less than 1. It's a fraction, so we should have a fraction of the size, so half the size. Again, like in Knowledge Organizer 6, if you want to double check your work, draw your ray lines in, and they should go through the center of enlargement. Just make sure you're drawing your ray lines through the same corner on the original shape as your enlargement. Oh, just missed that. So it actually goes through there. And you can see it actually goes through the center of enlargement just there. Thank you.